In a competitive economy, I believe the PMI membership is very fundamental because it helps you understand the basics, fundamentals of project management practice. Without that, it will be more like someone is just going to manage the project their own way and devise their own techniques, and more often than not, it would be very suboptimal.
Becoming a member of PMI definitely has a bigger advantage that you are aligned to global processes and global standards, which actually set you apart from the crowd. And for new graduates coming out of engineering colleges or management colleges, this actually gives them a different edge when it comes to employability or making their career in the world.
Most of the project managers who are actually pretty successful may feel that they have all the knowledge and they're doing everything the right way. But after joining PMI membership, I can confidently say that these project managers would be exposed to a lot more knowledge than what they have currently. And based on that knowledge, I'm sure they would be able to improve their performance even beyond what they are doing right now. Therefore, be more successful project managers.
You get to read and go through case studies and collaterals which are shared by people across the globe. Sitting in India, we may not have that kind of luxury to go through that, but when you go to pmi.org, you have access to that knowledge base and database, which is captured through in most of the advanced countries like USA's and Europe's, where project management is a very mature field.
When it comes to complex projects, it's a lot of information from other, you can say organizations, other professionals, which would be useful in execution of your projects, their experiences. You need not learn new things through your experience. If people have already gone through those issues, it's always better to learn from other people's experience. Now, in this case, PMI membership helps you get access to a pool of big project management professionals, and their knowledge is at your disposal.
PMI membership keeps us updated since we are practicing project managers. So it's very important to keep us updated with the latest trends, latest requirements. Recently, PMI unveiled their 5th edition. So there had been so many changes. So if we keep us updated, we will be keeping our pace with the changing trends.